The problem with AI video isn't quality, it's memory. One tiny edit breaks the project, forcing you to restart every prompt from scratch. But I finally found a way to give AI memory. Now, you can actually build full-length scenes without everything breaking constantly. 눈 뜨면 바로 시작해 어제의 날을 넘겨버려 발끝이 먼저 웃잖아 오늘은 내가 주인공 숨해진 건 작은 용기 근데 이건 꽤 뜨겁지 한 번 더 뛰어도 늘 멈추리 이유는 없으니까 숨을 고르고 눈을 맞추면 심장이 먼저 가자 하고 말해 조금 더 높이 손을 뻗으면 세상이 다 내 편이 돼 Turn it up, turn it up 더 크게 번져가 Turn it up, turn it up 우리 지금 올라가 끝까지 다 반짝여봐 Turn it up, turn it up 오늘이 터져가 Hey everyone, Nova here. Today I'll show you how to make full-length videos without ever writing a complex prompt again. It's all inside Agent 1. It holds your entire project context, so you just direct the scenes and it handles the rest. Getting started with Agent 1 is actually too easy. You just upload your story or script and it builds out the entire project framework for you. Now let me show you how I use this exact workflow for my K-pop music video. It's actually a lot easier than you'd think. Head over to invideo. It's basically an all-in-one setup for creators. It actually lets serious creators build cinematic productions from the initial treatment all the way to the final cut. The latest feature I have to show you is Agent 1. Once you're in, just grab the Agent 1 option right on the main page. Now just tell it what you need. I uploaded my track and asked for a music video. From there, it'll just ask for a project name. Okay, now it asks for an identity and color for Agent 1. I used a random name at first, but it's actually for organization. Choose something meaningful so you can find your agent's job later. My agent, Luna, analyzed the track and asked the right questions. Group size, locations, and style, like Y2K or futuristic. It even asks for choreo density to nail the vibe. I realized I hadn't trimmed the track, so I cut it to 1 minute and pasted the lyrics. Then I gave Luna some specific direction. I asked for a dark luxe style with 4 girls. Most importantly, I told it to stop and wait for my approval after every single step. Okay, you can see Luna's progress here. Now, let me show you what context actually is. When you start, Agent 1 has you fill out these project settings, like everything we defined before. Next is the workflow and rules, like when I asked for approval at each step. All the visual rules are gathered here, even the song structure and analysis. This context lives across the entire project. Every instruction you give uses this info, so you never have to start from scratch. Okay, now Luna created our character sheet for the 4 members. You can approve them right here, or chat directly to change whatever you need. In the next step, once you've approved the characters, she creates a storyboard based on the timing for the intro, verse, pre-chorus, and chorus. It maps the visuals to the song's energy. Now, look at these panels closely and choose the shots you like. Listen to the music and keep whatever matches the vibe better. You're directing the plan. I'm choosing my favorites here and sending them to Luna. Now, she's extracting those shots and upscaling them so we can use these frames to create the final video. I told Luna to work scene by scene. She has to propose a prompt, confirm the credit usage, and wait for my explicit approval before moving to the next shot. So, Luna first updates her memory and adds this request to the project context. Now she gives me her plan for the intro. From here, I can either approve it immediately or tell her exactly what I'm imagining instead. Showing you the credits every time gives you full control over the model you choose. I find it's the best way to control your budget. See that? Luna actually calculates the video budget before you commit. You know exactly what you're spending on each shot before it renders. From here, you can do so much. Upload a dance move reference, ask for specific camera angles, or simply tell her what you want. Here, I uploaded a music slice and asked for a two-girl dance with a specific close-up lip sync. I made sure to tell Luna to use that exact audio for the timing and the beat. It then asks which members should be in the shot. I chose the lead for the lip sync and another for the performance. And here is the result. I was thinking about a solo dance for this part, so I uploaded a reference of a move I liked and asked Luna for a solo performance of one of my members. And here is what we get. The member stays perfectly on model while executing the exact choreography from the video I uploaded. You can describe the move and mood, upload camera settings for the shot you want, or even provide a specific color palette. For example, here I describe the dance move using specific timestamps for one of my characters. I'm telling it exactly when to move and how the camera should react. Finally, I choose which scene works best for the music. I picked this one and asked for a few changes, like removing a part and recreating it until it was perfect. And just like that, you have a full video. You can download each clip separately, or just ask the agent to assemble everything based on the plan. I actually downloaded the remix from Agent 1 and exported each clip separately so I could fine-tune the edit myself. Let me show you something exciting. Imagine needing to change something across the entire project. Usually, that is a massive headache. Agent 1 is smart. You give one directorial note and it ripples that change across every single scene automatically. I'll ask Luna to change the lead's outfit from black to white leather. She instantly identifies every relevant shot and updates the project context. First, she recreates the character sheet and scenes with the new outfit automatically. Let's check them. Now you can even ask her to recreate the video clips with the new outfit too. She uses those updated reference images to recreate the clips, maintaining perfect consistency across the entire production. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing how Agent 1 works, from the project context to the final result. If you want access to try this workflow yourself, just comment in video below and I'll get you the details. Thanks for hanging out today, love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.